Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can configure your own home network, where you can share printers, folders and even hard drives. First off, we will have to enable network sharing. This is a feature in Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. You'll have to do this on all your computers in your network that you want to share data with. So, to enable advanced network sharing, you'll have to go to Start, then go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing. Here in this menu, you'll have to click on Advanced Sharing Settings on the left. When you've done that, you will see two profiles, the guest profile at the bottom and the top one is Home or Work. Home or Work is the one you will have to enable. You have to turn on Network Discovery. Then you'll have to check if everything is enabled except media streaming. Now, we'll configure a home group. You go back to the Network and Sharing Center. You then click on Ready to Create. Then there will pop up a wizard that you'll have to go through. You make sure that you select everything, so also printers and documents. Then you click on Next. Here you get a password. You just write it down somewhere because you'll need this later on for your other computers that you want to add to the home group. And now you can click on Finish. So the home group has now been created. The next thing we will do is go to computer 2 and enable the network sharing as you did before on computer 1. So again you go to Network and Sharing Center. You click on Advanced Sharing Settings and you turn on Network Discovery. You check if everything except media streaming is turned on and you can save and exit. We now will add computer 2 to the home group. You go to the Network and Sharing Center. Here you click on Available to Join. You again follow the wizard through. You start with checking if everything is selected, like documents and printer. Then you click on Next. In this window, you'll have to type in the password you've written down before, that you've got from computer 1, where you created the home group. When you've done that, you can click on Finish and your computer is in the home group now. You can repeat these on all the computers that you want to have in the network by just enabling the advanced sharing and adding them to the home. Now I will show you how you can share a volume on computer 2. Once you've done this, you know how to share things and you can later on share even folders or just data. You go to Start, then Computer, and then you will see all your volumes that you have. You just right click on it and then you can go to Share and then Advanced Sharing. Or what we will do is we go to Properties, totally at the bottom, and then you go to the tab Sharing. Here you'll click on Advanced Sharing. You select Share this folder box. Now you can give it a share name. When you've done that, you press the button Permissions. A new window opens here. You can specify the permissions what the other computer have on your shared folder. You've got full control, read, change. When they've got full control, they can delete or make a new file or folder. They can change those even. Or you can just give them read permissions, which allows them to only see the file and copy it to their own computer. When they have copied to their own computer, they can change it, but they can't change the main file. The change permission is that they can make changes to it. It will even give them the possibility to delete it. I will just give full control, since I want to be able to do everything with the files that I've been sharing. Now you can press OK and just exit. When you want to share a folder or some data, you'll just have to do it the same as we've done now. Just right click, go to Properties, then the Sharing tab, and then press this Advanced Sharing button. The next thing that I will show you is how to share a printer. You go to Start, Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Devices and Printers. Then you click on Add a printer. You've got the option of installing a local printer that uses a USB cable, or you can add a network, wireless or Bluetooth printer. I've got a wireless printer, so I'll have to choose the second option. You click on next. Then you choose the printer you are going to use. You again press on next. Then you have to select the software. So you first choose the manufacturer and then you select the type of printer you have. Then again you press on next. Here you'll have to give a name to your printer. I just use the name of my printer itself. Again you press next. You now get a window in front of you that gives you the possibility to share the printer. You select share this printer so that others on your network can find and use it, and you give it a share name. Then you click on next, finish, and you're done. Now we'll check if the printer is shared. There might be some problems related to the version of Windows you have. If you're running a 64-bit version and on the other one a 32-bit version, or the other way around, then you'll have to install both the 64-bit drivers and the 32-bit driver. I'll add a link in the description bar to a website that will show you how you can do this. So we will check now if the printer is shared. You go again to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Devices and Printers, and here you'll see that the printer you shared has been shared. It will stand between the other printers and devices that you have. We will also see where the printer has been shared. You go to Start, Computer, and here you go to Network. Computer 1 was a computer where you shared the printer on, so you click on Computer 1. Here you'll see the printer. The last thing we will do is check if you can print with a shared printer. You go to Start and open Notepad. You type something like hello or whatever you like. Then you go to File, Print, and then you'll see that you can select the shared printer to print with. So, this was my tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it.